Hi, and welcome to Food for Thought Thursday. Today's topic is on organics because many of you have been asking me, are they truly worth the price, especially when we're trying to save money these days? And I totally understand that. So today I want to share with you why it's important to reduce your intake of these harmful chemicals, but also help you shop better, knowing which crops are the dirtiest while the others that are the cleanest. But first you should know that many of the pesticides that were approved by the EPA and registered, they were registered way before any of the extensive research was done on them. So those numbers have changed today. I want to read some of these numbers off to you. Today the EPA considers that 60% of all herbicides are what are used to kill off unwanted plants. 60% of those are now known to cause cancer. 90% of all fungicides used to kill off and inhibit fungus, 90% of those are now known to cause cancer. And 30% of all insecticides used to kill off all those unwanted pests, those are now known to cause cancer. So what happens is these chemicals, they accumulate in our fat cells. We store them over time. This toxicity can lead to cancer. It can change your genetic makeup. It can alter hormones. It can actually affect the reproductive system, causing infertility in both males and females. So you say, well, organics are expensive. I understand that. The Environmental Working Group has put together this really handy shopping guide. Many of you may already have it, but they've updated it and it's new. So you will want to download the newest guide. Now what it does is it shows the top 12 called the Dirty Dozen. It tells you which of those pieces of produce, starting with peaches and then apples, so very important, especially with children who are consuming a lot of apple products in the form of apple juice. Very heavily contaminated and very hard on little children. So you also will see on this shopper's guide the Clean 15. So you can save money by buying those conventional. So for example, you can save money buying regular avocados while spending the extra money to buy organic apples. So when you also buy organic, not only are you reducing your exposure to toxic chemicals, you're also reducing your exposure to hormones and antibiotics and also genetically modified organisms. But that's another Food for Thought Thursday. Anyway, I do hope you'll download this guide. Go to foodnews.org and download your own free guide and carry that with you when you're shopping. And I do hope this was helpful for everyone. I'll have a great weekend. I'll talk to you next